Hello? Vital! Hey, what's up, man? Everything okay, man? Yeah, bro. I'm coming to Jamaica, bro. Yeah. Coming to Jamaica. All I need is just the directions, bro. Just give me some directions, man. Come on, man. You know, it's a long time seeing it, bro. Alright, so yeah, bro. Here what I wanted, you know. I wanted, alright, yes, alright. You see when I reach airport, you take a taxi. You go downtown. You see me, bro? So when I reach downtown, you take it straight. You go past Big Belly Frank. So in the pass,
Big Belly Frank, bro?
Big Belly Frank. You go past Big Belly
But
Frank.
is he gonna be
Yeah,
there
man, you
though?
go there, man. You go there. Alright, someone to take a left turn. You take a first left turn. You first left turn, you see. You see me? You take a right turn. Then take a left right turn. What, bro? A left right turn? Bro, that's bullshit, bro. Or someone take a left right turn. That's impossible, bro. What are you telling me to do, bro? You see me? You know go straight. So you know go straight now. So you know go straight. You go see one pothole. Yes, you go see one pothole. So you see one pothole now. Yeah. You tap a mass charge. Right? Tap a mass charge now. You go reverse. Go back to your same pothole, you see. Take a right straight turn. Now it's the right straight turn, bro. Yeah, right straight turn. Yeah. Then you fly. What's up with these directions, bro? Yeah, man, you have to fly, man. Yeah, you have to fly. Fly car, man. The England I come from, and have the new flying car there. Yeah, man, you have to fly car, man. Yeah, man, fly.
Bruh, I'm from
Yeah, man, and after
America,
that,
bro. Where
you have to come out to your car and start walk. Yeah, man,
What,
walk.
bro?
We say walk. Yeah, man. So you start walk now, you have to turn all the way back. Go back in your car. Go straight. And then you go find them live. You see me? You see? Yeah, man, respect. Bro. Yeah. This nigga crazy.